Welcome to Fiber Guide, your trusted optical network training and consulting partner. Fiber optic networks power virtually everything in our connected world, from streaming video and cloud computing to artificial intelligence, hyperscale data centers, and global telecommunications. As demand for faster and more reliable connectivity continues to grow, so is the demand for well-trained and certified professionals. But here is the challenge. Not all fiber optic certifications are created equal. One of the biggest mistakes professionals and employers make is choosing a certification based solely on brand recognition instead of matching training to actual job responsibilities. Sending a network architect to a hands-on splicing class makes little sense. And sending a field installer to an advanced network engineering course can leave them overwhelmed and frustrated. In this video, I will break down the best vendor-neutral fiber optic certifications available today and help you determine which certification is right for your role. I will compare the industry's three leading certification providers, the Fiber Optic Association, or FOA, BICSI, and Optical Technology Training, OTT. Before going into detail on individual certifications, let's start with a simple rule. The best certification is the one that aligns with your day-to-day responsibilities. If you are an entry-level field technician focused on installation, splicing, connectorization, and basic testing, certifications like FOA, CFOT is an excellent starting point. If you are an advanced installer, supervising crews, or managing complex deployments, consider BICSI Technician or OTT's Certified Optical Fiber Installer. For professionals specializing in testing and troubleshooting, advanced certifications such as CFOS testing or OTT's fiber characterization. Engineer certification may be ideal. Structured cabling designers and ICT professionals often pursue BICSI's prestigious RCDD credential. And if you are designing DWDM networks, data center interconnects, or long-haul telecom systems, OTT's CONA and CONE certifications are specifically designed for those environments. Now let's examine each certification provider in more detail. The Fiber Optic Association is widely recognized as the industry leader for practical, hands-on fiber optic skills. Certified Fiber Optic Technician, CFOT. The CFOT is FOA's flagship certification covering fiber optic fundamentals, cable installation, connector termination, and basic testing. This certification is ideal for technicians entering the fiber industry or those looking to validate foundational skills. Once you have earned your CFOT, FOA offers specialized tracks. CFOS/T focuses on advanced testing techniques, including OTDR operation, optical loss measurements, and troubleshooting. CFOS provides deeper expertise in fusion and mechanical splicing techniques. CFOS-D covers physical network design, documentation, and infrastructure planning. Key takeaway on FOA. Choose FOA when your primary goal is developing practical field skills and technical proficiency. BICSI takes a different approach. While hands-on installation is certainly part of the curriculum, BICSI is especially known for its focus on structured cabling systems, standards compliance, and enterprise infrastructure. BICSI Installer Program. The installer certification track includes INST1, INST2, INSTC. These programs cover cable installation, pathway systems, termination methods, testing, and documentation. They are particularly valuable for technicians working in commercial building environments. Registered Communications Distribution Designer, RCDD. The RCDD is one of the most respected credentials in the telecommunications industry. The RCDD is heavily design-oriented and contains very little hands-on installation training. Key takeaway on BICSI. Choose BICSI when your projects require adherence to structured cabling standards, enterprise infrastructure design, and commercial building compliance. While FOA focuses on field skills and BICSI focuses on infrastructure design in commercial buildings, OTT specializes in optical networking and transmission engineering. This makes OTT particularly valuable for telecom operators, data center professionals, optical network engineers, and optical transport specialists. Certified Optical Fiber Installer, CFOT. The CFOT certification covers fiber installation, ODF management, termination practices, splicing procedures. CFOT provides a technically rigorous foundation for infrastructure deployment professionals. Certified Optical Network Associate, CONA. CONA bridges the gap between physical fiber infrastructure and optical networking with a focus on direct detection technology. Topics include optical networking fundamentals, WDM systems, optical transport concepts, link engineering basics. CONA is an excellent choice for technicians and professionals who are new to optical networking and are transitioning into optical network planning or design. Certified Optical Network Engineer, CONE. CONE is the most advanced vendor-neutral certification available in the optical communication industry. CONE topics include coherent optical communications, nonlinear fiber impairments, ins and outs of optical transceivers, and advanced ROADMs. This certification is particularly valuable for optical network engineers, transport planners, and optical network architects. Certified Fiber Characterization Engineer, CFCE. As networks move toward 100G, 400G, and even higher speeds, fiber characterization becomes increasingly important. CFCE focuses on advanced fiber testing, chromatic dispersion testing, and polarization mode dispersion testing. Key takeaway on OTT. Choose OTT when you are working with high-capacity optical transport systems, data center interconnects, long-haul networks, or advanced optical engineering. In conclusion, whether you are installing fiber in the field, designing enterprise infrastructure, or engineering next-generation optical transport systems, the right certification can accelerate your career and help organizations build stronger technical teams. By matching training programs to specific job roles, companies can maximize training budgets, close skill gaps, and improve operational performance. To learn more about some of the programs in this video, explore the links in the description. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more optical networking, fiber optics, and telecommunications content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.